Case name Suchit, age is 28 years and today date is 3rd January 2024 and complain of high pitched voice even after puberty. So I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
Yes sir, as you mentioned, my name is Suchit B from Bangalore, Karnataka, and I face a high pitch voice issue, especially when I speak on phone. Many a times people say though it is common everywhere, but I feel more on phone, sir.
Voice sample after 8 days of therapy and today date is 10th of January 2024. So why you came here and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
Yes sir, I had a high pitch voice issue and I came on 3rd January, and after 8 days I am feeling significant change in my voice. Both my loudness has increased and also at the same time my pitch has reduced to an extent.
So what was the challenge before coming here on the phone call especially?
Sir, especially on the phone, people were unable to recognize my and my mother's voice. There was some problem. So especially I was speaking in high pitch voice. So after a practice,
They were confusing, they are talking to your mom.
Yes sir.
Especially the relatives. And what was happening is strangers, like when you are booking some cab or when you are for food delivery?
Yes sir. Occasionally it was not always, but sometimes they were telling ma'am or something. So like I was not feeling that good.
So what are the reactions you got after the therapy when you spoke to your friends and relatives?
Yes sir. When I spoke to my relatives, they were very happy and they told like your voice has significantly changed and it has become more loud and clear.
So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Sure sir, you can use it.
And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. And now what is your mother tongue?
Kannada sir.
So can you tell in Kannada what was exactly the problem and how do you feel after the treatment?
Yes sir. ನನಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈ ಪಿಚ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಧ್ವನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.